If you want to activate Gemini Assistant with your voice on your Android phone, I'll show you. So first open the Gemini app and just click your profile, and here you can see a Google option. Now just click this a Google. Now you can see this option a Google. Just toggle this on and more, agree, more, agree. Now just say these words. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay, it's done. Next. Not now. Okay, it's turned on. So now the second thing you need to do is just back, scroll down and open this option, Digital Assistants from Google, and here make sure it's selected to Gemini. If it's selected to Google Assistant, switch this to Gemini, then back, minimize this and open settings and click the search bar and type power button. Open this first option, power button, open this and here select voice assistant. So that's it. After this, if you said okay Google, Gemini will be listen. Here you can see it immediately gives the result. Or if you long press the power button, Gemini will be opens up like this. Listen for your words. Just like that.
It appears your message might be.
So this is how you need to activate Gemini Assistant with your voice on your Android phone. And if you want to know more videos about Gemini app, watch this playlist.